हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बात करेंगे इंटर लाइब्रेरी लोन एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्री डिलीवरी सर्विस के एमसीक्यू के बारे में। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ इंटर लाइब्रेरी लोन? दैट इज टू lend materials between the libraries. Interlibrary loan is based on the principle of resource sharing. Which type of materials are generally shared under ILL? That is books, journal and the photocopies. Which of the following is not true about interlibrary loan? That is, it replaces library acquisition. What is usually required to request an ILL, an interlibrary loan from or request? ILL is sorry. Interlibrary loan is typically used when a user cannot locate a document in their home library. Which organization support interlibrary loan in India? That is Telnet. Which method is commonly used to send interlibrary loan request today? That is online request forms or email. Interlibrary loan helps in avoiding unnecessary purchase. Which is an international interlibrary loan cooperative organization? That is OCLC. Document delivery service refer to delivering photocopies or scans of requested document. DDS is mostly used when the required document is not available locally. Which of the following is not a document delivery method? That is oral explanation. Document delivery ensure information availability. DDS differ from interlibrary loan in that it delivers full documents or parts thereof. A major limitation of DDS is copyright restriction. Which Indian network provides DDS to academic institutions? That is implement. DDS is especially useful for the information retrieval in the research. Who are the primary users of the DDS? That is researcher and academics. Which document type is most commonly delivered via DDS? That is journal articles. Thank you.